all that great stock, the fresh vegetables. Let's give it a taste. Mmm. Oh. Tell you, if you like beef stew, you have never had beef stew this good. It is fantastic. Hello, I'm Chef Don McMillan. Welcome to Simple and Delicious Recipes. We've got a treat today. Look at all this beef. I've got some beef ribs. I've got some chuck. You know what I'm going to do with it? I'm going to make the best beef birria. Yes, we're going to make that. We're going to make a consomme. We are going to do so much with it. You're going to enjoy it. Tacos, quesadilla. What's not to love? Here's how we do it. So, look at all these ingredients. Here's the key. Guajillo chiles. Look, we took out the seeds, took off the stem, put them right in there. I know it sounds like a lot. You're probably thinking, oh, my mouth is going to be burning, but it won't. It's going to be jumping for joy. In goes those chilies. Beef. I need the bones, so I got these beef ribs. Took out some of the excess fat, and then I'm just going to put it right here in our pot because we're going to cook it up with all these fabulous ingredients. Look, look, oh man, get in there, come on. Get this one in there too. And I've got some chuck. Let's get all of that in there. Wow, lots of good beef. Now, we're going to add in some great ingredients. Bay leaves, garlic. All I did was just take off that little top part of it so I can expose this garlic in there. In the pot it goes. I know, it sounds like, hey, aren't you going to peel it? No, no. Cut up some carrots, in the pot it goes, right? Onion. I cut it in half, but I also took off that skin, all right? I want to expose it, but just in the pot it goes, right? Cumin, oregano, water. We're going to cover it with water. I know you're probably thinking, it just needs a little bit more flavor. We're going to do that in just a minute. Let me go ahead while I'm doing this, get the fire going underneath as well. Okay, now let me go ahead and just push this down. Be sure I've got it covered, got everything in there. And as soon as this comes to a boil, what I'm going to do is I have here some bouillon cubes, chicken bouillon cubes. I know you're probably thinking beef. It's actually chicken because it's going to give it that special flavor. So let's go ahead and wait till this boils and then we'll put in the bouillon. Okay, so now it's almost ready to come up to a boil. So before it comes to a boil, before I put the consomme cubes in there, okay, what I want to do is skim off a little bit of the foam that's coming to the top. You can see it pretty much around the edges, and I just use a ladle. You could use a deep spoon if you have one like that, but just go around, get off what you can out of it. You won't get every little bit, but you know, get most of it out. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our little cubes in there. A little bit here, a little bit there. What I have is a ladle. Just submerge it, and as it submerges, that foam that's on the top just kind of like fills right in, goes right into the cavity in there. Okay, I've got a little bit over here, and then I'm going to take this out. Good. Well, let's go ahead and put this in the sink. Place in our cubes. Of course, they'll dissolve right into the hot liquid. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I know that the consomme cubes have some salt in there, so I'm just going to put about a teaspoon. I think that would be plenty. You can always adjust later as we're going along. So let me give it a little bit of a stir, And then we're going to let it cook for 30 minutes. Simmer, I mean. We're going to let it simmer for 30 minutes. And then we're going to remove these chiles. And we're going to puree them and make a gorgeous, gorgeous sauce with them. So you're going to enjoy that. 6 hours we've been cooking this baby. You've seen us, all the little steps we had to do, right? Chop up those chiles and puree them. I'm telling you, it's worth it now. Look, it is. Oh, it smells divine, but we've got to take the meat out now because we're going to chop it up. Yes. And we've got the bones, and we've got the meat, and we got all the goodies. But let's get them out of here now, because it's time to go back to work, boys and girls. Let's get them back in here. Oh, and look how rich this consommé looks. Wow, it is really something. All right, we got a bunch of meat in here, so let's go get it out. We'll put back the vegetables as we're going along. Look at all these goodies that are coming out of this pot. Look. Look. Doesn't it look wonderful? Yeah, it does. It does. Garlic, onions, lots of beef. Boy, we cooked up a bunch, didn't we? Yeah, man, this looks so good. All right. And we still got more. Yes, getting it all done. So many wonderful dishes this is going to be creating, but we're going to have that consommé in just a little while. You will see how we do it. All right, we almost got the meat out. Just a little bit more to go, and then we'll start our chopping. Okay, we did it. So now, the idea is to take the meat off the bones and the other meat, and we'll just give it a good quick chop, and we'll put these other vegetables and all back in because we want them into the broth and into the consommé, so it'll be even so much to the dish. But look at all this just falling off the bones right in through here. So I got rid of those bones. I've got vegetables back into our consommé, our stock. Wow, it's going to be dynamite. I've got to chop this meat up now, so I need to do a little bit more work. I've actually snuck a piece or two, and I want to tell you, it is delicious. So you want to just keep it going. So what I want to do is just cut this meat up and chop it up, because it is going to go right into that consommé. All right, here's how we do it. I've got my bowl. We've got that beef that we just chopped up. Let's put some of that right in the bowl. Let's put a little bit more in there. Yeah, put it right in there. Okay, just a tiny bit more. Good. Now, done that. Now we get that broth. Remember, we worked so hard at it. We developed it every stage of the way. Let's put some broth right in there. Oh, that looks so good. Right in there. All right, now we're going to go ahead and chop up an onion. Well, we have the beef. I just put the consommé right over that. This Birria beef with consommé is going to be so good, but I'm going to tighten it up just a little bit more. I finely diced some onions. Look, let's put a little of those right in there. Yes. Also chopped up some fresh cilantro. Let's get that in there. And why not a squeeze of lime, right? There it is. Now we're ready to dine. All that great stock, the fresh vegetables. Let's give it a taste. Oh, tell you, if you like beef stew, you have never had beef stew this good. It is fantastic. That recipe's below. Go out and make it. Trust me, it's worth the time. You're gonna love it. Also, share your love. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Also, hit the thumbs up button and share this recipe and all of our recipes really with your family, your friends. Put it on Facebook. We'd love for you to do that. We'd also love for you to give us your support on Patreon, because when you do that, so much more can happen. We can do so many more of these great videos. Love to share them with you, give you first viewing before anybody else does, and a lot of other stuff in between. We want to thank you so much for doing that. And remember, when you're cooking with Chef Don, it is always simple and delicious.